Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Azuk son yus topic chu yus as banomut chu check your progress. Yani MCQs on history of Kashmir. Yim zan previous video chu as banamut history of Kashmir as pet asa karo tuhunz ye ability check to yim video wuchmut chu tu karo check your progress. Tawon shas thomut ke MCQ chu as banamut to kota फायदे मिले यम वीडियो वुचन सत या गोडनिक क्वेश्चन युस जन तथ हसा वनो Who was the builder of the Martin Sun Temple and founder of Kashmir Valley's canal irrigation system? Option 4 is first option Bahudev Lalita Ditya Mukpadia Jainuddin Bhimchand. Question second, who built the world famous Sun Temple in Kashmir? Ranbir Singh, Lalita Ditya, Hari Singh, Gulab Singh. Question number third, the Martin Sun Temple is in Anantnag, Baramulla, Badgaon, Kathua. Fourth Buddhist Council was held at Vijay Vishwara, Manda, Kundalwan, Pandretan. Question number 5. The ancient text which Kalhana relied in writing Raj Tarangi. Option Matsya Purana, Kandopanishad, Nilmat Purana, Mablo Rath. Question number 6. Raj Tarangi was written in 1148 to 50 CE, 1040 to 45 CE, 946 to 47 CE, 847 to 48 CE. Question number 7. Kalhana has started the history of Kashmir just before the great Mahabharata war and the first king mentioned by him. Sukusot, Jarsand, Gonda, first Damodar, Chandradeep. Question number 8. Who was the first ruler of the Karkota dynasty in Kashmir? Durlabha Vardhan, Chandrapida, Pratapidya, Balditya. Question number 9. Who sang, who visited Kashmir during the reign of Durlabha Vardhana, Jaisimha, Ashoka, Lalita Daitya. Question number 10. The earliest known text of Kashmir is Raj Tarangi, Nilmat Purana, Zafarnama, Tawarikh Kashmir. Question number 11. Who was the writer of Raj Tarangi that recorded the oldest and fullest history of the legendary kings of Kashmir? Option Godnik, Jalhana, Kalhana, Bhatti Kavya, Vasu Gupta. Question number 12. Didda was the granddaughter of the king Simharaja Bhima Sahi Shrimandra Uchala. 13th question. The city of Samkarapura Patna was founded by Shankar Varman, Avanti Varman, Suya, Lalita Ditya. Question number 14. Which of the following statement is not correct about Didda? Not correct. Is correct, not correct about Didda. A. She was the daughter of the king Simharaja. Second option. From her mother's side, she was the granddaughter of King Bhima Sahi. Option C. She assumed the royal power in 850 CE. D part. She built the Vishnu temple of Didda Swamin. Question number 15. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Not correctly matched. Ruler one X side, dynasty B side. Rulers mas Mir Kula, Hun, Jayapida, Lohra, Shankara Varman, Utpala, Lalita Daitya, Karkuta. यानी योर चीज डायनास्टी योर चीज रूलर युस न करेक्टली मैच गसान पान में रलान की अम सुकाड़न यावा. Question number 60. Which of the following is not founded by Lalita Daitya? A. Parnotsa, Lalitpur, Lokanya, Pratapura. Question number 17. The town of Avantipura was built at the site known as Kaptishwara, Vijayaswara, Visvasara, Pratapishwara. Question number 18. Which of the following is not correctly matched? अच्छे लिस्ट बने लिस्ट फर्स्ट लिस्ट सेकंड इस करेक्टली मैच कह लिस्ट फर्स्ट मन ऑप्शन दिन अशोका परवरसाना ललिता दत्या अवंती वर्मन लिस्ट सेकंडस मज क्या लिखम पुराना दिष्टन परवरपुरा परिहसपुरा लोका पिंड्या क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 what was the reign period of queen of kashmir didda shat occurred to satat ka c option second navshat through to navshat pancha c option third navshat arvanza to doshat 3 c doshat 3 to doshat ka ce question 20 the person who undertook the work of drainage and irrigation of the Kashmir Valley during Avanti Varman's rule was A. Suya Chandra Vastupala Jayank. 21 question number. Who among the following queens of Kashmir is referred to as the Catherine of Kashmir? Catherine of Kashmir Imomaz. Vashuwati, Sangda, Didda, Kutarani. Question number 22. Who among the following translated Kalhana's Raj Tarangi into English? A part. Sir Alexander Cunningham, Sir Oral Stein, Janaraja Sarivara. Question number 23. Kalhana's Raj Tarangi is divided into A. 8 books, B. 9 books, 10 books, 11 books. Question 24. Who said that Raj Tarangi is a rich storehouse of information, political, social, and to some extent economic? A part. A. Cunningham, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Hari Singh, A. Stein. Question number 25. As per Nilmad Purana, the valley of Kashmir originally was a huge lake known as Satisar, Durgara, Gangabal, Vishnasar. 26th question. Who founded the city of Srinagar? Janaka, Savarna, Parvasana, none. Question number 27. Hussain visited Kashmir in 5th century, 6th century, 7th century, 8th century. Question number 28. Hussain visited India during the reign of Harshvardhana, Akbar, Ashoka, Sikandar Gupta. Question number 29. Kalhana's Raj Tarangi. Question number 28. Hussain visited India during the reign of Harshvardhana, Akbar, Ashoka, Sakan Gupta. Question number 29. Kalhana's Raj Tarangi is divided into 8 books known as Tarangas, meaning rivers, oceans, waves, rain. Question number 30. The Neolithic site discovered in Kashmir is at Burzahama, Manda, Ambaran, Pandretan. आज त्रोस यथ वीडियोस मज 30 क्वेश्चन सबसिक्वेंट वीडियो मज इथे कन MCQs यम ऑब्जेक्टिव आज त्रो यथ थोस पे कन नाव टॉपिक चेक योर प्रोग्रेस यम हसा पतमें एग्जामन मज आमत यथ मज VLW अकाउंट असिस्टेंट तहसीलदार तथ मज रिपीट गमत तुई वुचो यम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स यम कूता फायदे दिनो तो युस तो इन वोल एग्जाम God bless you.